Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your OS build and whether you run a 64-bit kernel. This matters for driver packages and installers. Once done, close Marvel Rivals and any game launchers so files aren't locked, and make sure you have admin rights. Installers need them. Next, download the latest GPU driver package for your card and extract it to a clear folder. This lets you choose a clean install. Doing this prevents file conflicts and speeds the update process. You run the vendor installer as administrator, then choose Custom or Clean Install. This removes legacy files that cause crashes. If you have older driver conflicts, reboot into safe mode and use Display Driver Uninstaller, then reinstall. This avoids remnants. Once the installer runs, make sure to enable Vulkan or DirectX runtime settings the manufacturer recommends, because Marvel Rivals relies on those APIs for stability. After installation, reboot normally so kernel modules and services load correctly. This completes the configuration phase. You finish by launching Marvel Rivals and verifying the driver version either in Game Diagnostics or your GPU control panel. This confirms updates applied. If you hit crashes or graphical glitches, roll back or reinstall. Use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode, then repeat the clean install. Also clear shader cache and run game file verification through the launcher, since corrupted files resemble driver problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if stutters persist, test.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.